The Foldable Rollator Walker HRW-350 combines a robust design with a reinforced frame capable of supporting up to 350 pounds, ensuring both durability and stability. Users ranging in height from 4 feet 7 inches to 6 feet 6 inches can enjoy the adjustable seat and handle heights, which are complemented by a memory foam seat and breathable backrest for enhanced comfort. Safety is paramount with this walker, featuring a reliable braking system with 3 modes, pinch-proof folding points, ergonomic hand grips, and reflective strips for nighttime visibility. The 8-inch puncture-proof wheels are designed to glide effortlessly over various terrains, making indoor and outdoor mobility smooth and enjoyable. Weighing just over 20 pounds, this rollator is lightweight yet strong, with a quick fold design that allows for convenient transport and storage. With a lifetime warranty on the metal frame and comprehensive US-based support, HOMLAND ensures peace of mind with reliable customer service and resources.